Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Ayuandira from Information System Study Program 2020 in STIM Mikrosma Karawang. Midterm test English for Business Communication from Miss Intresta Natalia. Both introducing my company, introducing the products of my company, and describe how to make it. 1. Introducing my company. Company name, Awa Hijab. Products category, hijab or veil. Company type, home industry. Founder, Ayuandira. Store address, Daya Luhur, Tempuran, Karawang. Awa Hijab is a company home industry that produces its own hijab. Hijab is an obligation for a Muslim woman to cover her genitals. In the past, the hijab only had a monotonous design and did not have the art of beauty and tended to be dark. Therefore, our efforts in hijab fashion want to create hijab products that have beauty, art, and innovation so that many are interested in using our products, and that is curtained to remain Shari. Vision and mission. Vision. Encourage women to wear the hijab, adding faith and devotion, and become a successful hijab company. Mission: selling quality hijab products at affordable prices, creating the latest ideas and design, creating innovation and creation, and providing the best service. 2. Introducing the products of my company. The business that I will run is products, namely hijab and hijab accessories. By choosing this business, I am sure this business will develop and progress because at this time, many teenage women like to wear the hijab as fashion and at the same time cover their genitals. Now that the hijab has become a trend as a fashion for women, so many women are looking for and wanting a good hijab and various types and follow fashion. Products that we will offer such as instant hijab, hijab for children, plain rectangular hijab, hijab quadrilateral, hijab khimar syar'i, plain pasmina hijab, hijab pasmina motif, embroidered hijab, the inner hijab, and hijab accessories. Marketing method. By introducing our product in the neighborhood, use social media to promote products. Social media is a feature that can form a network and allow people to interact in a community. With social media, companies can carry out various forms of exchange, collaboration, and get acquainted or greet with consumers, both in the form of visual and audio visual writing, and online shop. 3. Describe how to make it. Examples of the process of making hijab printing or hijab motif. Step 1. Designing the hijab motif. First, have to determine or treat an attractive motif design. There are many ways to create a motif design. Generally, a designer uses Corel or Adobe Illustrator software. Typical hijab Print size are children 90 x 90 centimeter or 105 x 105 centimeter. Adults 110 x 110 centimeter or 115 x 115 centimeter. Step 2. Determine the fabric. Next, determine the desired fabric. Many fabrics can be used for hijab. Statistics show that the most favorite hijab fabric is fall cloth. What is fall cloth? Some consumers say the fall cloth is cool, not stretchy, does not make it deep, and does not need to be ironed. There are many kinds of fall fabrics, from ordinary to premium price. Step 3. The printing process. In the setting process, one of the goals is to produce printed colors that are close to the desired color. After setting, then mirror printed to transfer paper. Next, the transfer paper is then pressed on the cloth using a heat press machine. Step 4. Sew the seams or sew the edges. After the design is printed on the fabric, the finishing is done, normally on the seam, sewing the edges. Sewing small seam is done by folding the edges of the fabric and sewing it. To be neat, use special shoes with seam. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.